Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks that you can trade on Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist if you are interested in Forex trading also. So let's get started. So the first stock for the day is Brookfield Property Partners. Yes, BPYUN, and you can see the chart of BPYUN in front of us right now. The last traded price of the stock is 23.35. This is the last traded price of the stock, and if you look at the chart of this stock, then you can clearly see that right now the stock is in uptrend. The stock is in uptrend, but there is a resistance on the daily chart. Yes, I mean the daily time frame. And you can see that there is a resistance on the daily chart at 23.45 level. Therefore, this level is important for the market because this is a resistance. So if you find a stock of Brookfield Property Partners above 23.45 level on Monday, you can go for a buy order. Just keep in mind, in case there is a gap up open, okay, then you just need to wait for 15 to 20 minutes so that you get the confirmation whether the resistance has become the support or not. If after 15 to 20 minutes also you see that the stock is trading comfortably above 23.45 level, you can easily go for buy order. So buy call on Brookfield Property Partners above 23.45. And the second stock for Monday is Power Corporation of Canada, and you can see that the stock is in heavy uptrend. And just look at the chart, and you can clearly see that the chart is in beautiful uptrend, and there is no doubt about it. And in an uptrend market like this, you should mainly look for buying opportunities. So considering the overall trend of the market, we will only look for buying opportunities. Okay, and you can see that the last traded price of the stock is 40.31. This is the last traded price of the stock. So in case there is a gap up open on Monday, or if you find the stock opening above 43.31 level on Monday, okay, again you need to wait for 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, being a trader, it's your duty to wait and watch. A trader's main duty is to observe the market, observe the price. So on Monday, if you find a stock trading above 40.31 level, then just go for buy order. There is no question. Go for buy order if you see that stock is trading comfortably above 40.31 level. But keep in mind one thing, there is a resistance on the stock. There is a resistance coming on the stock at 40.60 level. Therefore, if you go for a buy at 40.31 or let's say 40.35 level, then this will be your take profit. This is your target, 40.60. 40.60 is your target for day trading purpose. On the other hand, if you're looking for a stock for the investment purpose, then this is not the target, then sky is the limit. Just look at the overall trend of the market, then you can easily see that, you can easily understand that sky is the limit for this stock. Very beautiful stock, very beautiful chart. For day traders only, 40.60 is the target. So the third stock for the day, or for Monday actually, is, I'll have to type the name here. It's TRI. Ding ding ding. Yes, Thomson Reuters Corporation, and this chart has opened. If you look at the chart, then you can see that this stock is also in uptrend. Undoubtedly, Power Corporation chart was much beautiful, much more smooth, but this stock is also in uptrend. And considering the overall trend of the market, considering the overall trend of this particular stock, we will go for buy opportunities. And you can see that the last traded price of the stock is 120.86 level. And if you look at the chart, we can clearly see that the stock has almost closed at the day's high. Stock has closed at day's high. And there is also a resistance level here. So the stock has closed at the day's high at the resistance level. So this level is very important for the stock. Therefore, what you should do on Monday, you should wait for the market to cross this level, 121 level. So wait for the market to open on Monday. If you find Thomson Reuters trading above 121 level, or in case there is a gap up open and the stock opens above 121 level, wait for 15 to 20 minutes and just watch the stock. If you see that after 15 to 20 minutes the stock is trading comfortably, the stock is trading without any struggle above 121 level, you can go for buy. You can go for buy above 121 level on Thomson Reuters. And the fourth stock for Monday is Air Canada, one of the most popular stock and most popular company around the world. And you can see that the stock of Air Canada is in downtrend right now. Yes, the stock is under the dominance of the sellers. The stock is in downtrend. And the last traded price of the stock is 25.91. This is the last traded price, and this was also the day's low of the stock. Therefore, considering the overall selling pressure in the market, you can short the stock or you can sell the stock below this level. So wait for the market opening on Monday. In case you find the stock trading below 25.91 level, then as you know the drill. The drill is to wait and watch. Wait and watch for 15-20 minutes. If you see that the stock is still trading below 25.91 level, if you see that the selling pressure is still there in the market, if you see that the selling pressure is there, sellers are still dominating the stock of Air Canada, and the stock is trading below 25.91 level, then you can short the stock. So 25.91 level is the price that you need to keep your eyes on for Air Canada. And the last stock for Monday is Brookfield Asset Management. And this stock is also in a very beautiful uptrend. Just look at the beautiful chart. This stock is also in an uptrend, and this kind of stock or this kind of chart are mainly for investment purpose. If you have got some extra capital, if you want to invest money, then this can be one of the stock where you can put your money. And right now we can see that the stock is in uptrend and it has formed a hammer kind of a pattern during the last trading session. The last traded price was 64.16. This was the last traded price, and this was also the day's high. So you can go for buy order. You can buy Brookfield Asset Management on Monday if you find the stock trading above 64.16 level, or let's say 64.20 level. You can clearly go for buy above this level. If there is a gap up open, in case there is a gap up open, then you know the drill. Wait for 15-20 minutes. If you see stock is still trading comfortably above 64.16 level, then no need to worry. Just click on the buy button. So 64.16 is the level for Brookfield Asset Management. So these are the 5 stocks that you can trade on Monday, and these are the important levels that you need to keep your eyes on. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you again.